Okay, let's dive into the surprisingly complex hidden world of plant intelligence. Most of us think of plants as, well, just part of the scenery. But what if there's a whole lot more going on under the surface?
Turns out, new science is changing everything we thought we knew about them.
You know the basics, right? Like how plants bend towards sunlight. That's phototropism. And geotropism is how their roots always know to grow downwards thanks to gravity. Okay, but those are just automatic reflexes. The real question is, can a plant actually learn?
Well, this experiment with the sensitive mimosa plant suggests, yep, they can, and they remember.
Now, this isn't magic. It all comes down to water pressure inside the plant cells. And it gets even wilder. Plants also have a secret chemical language. Yeah, they send out warnings through the air or even call for backup. And underground, there's a whole wood wide web where trees share info and resources. So, all this has sparked a huge debate over one little word: intelligence. You've got one camp arguing that plants show brainy behavior even without brains. Proponents like Stefano Mancuso say that intelligence is just a basic property of life. But the other side says, hold on, no brain, no intelligence, period. So, okay, why should any of us care about this scientific debate? Because it's inspiring some seriously cool new tech, like these plant-inspired robots, and even new ways to design things like computer networks. It's pretty amazing. Really, all this research forces us to totally rethink our place in the world. And it leaves us with this final kind of provocative thought about the silent world around us.